This video will teach you the important exercise and tips to master the dragon flag, the ultimate core exercise made popular by Bruce Lee. Hey guys, Ahmad here, and welcome to Become Calisthenics. Let's talk about the dragon flag. You need a base level of core strength. Without a good level of core strength, this exercise will be very difficult. You first want to develop some core strength, and here are some exercises. The first progression is the advanced tuck. Some progressions for this exercise are in and outs. You want to lift your body, bring your knees to your chest, and extend out into the 90-degree hold. Keep your body tight and engage your back. Next is the advanced tuck raises. Start by lifting your body to a horizontal position, knees at a 90-degree angle. You then want to lower yourself slowly while keeping your body tight, then raise back up, and repeat. You will then be able to hold yourself in that 90-degree advanced tuck hold. After the advanced tuck is the one-legged dragon flag. This move you have one leg straight out while the other is touching your body. The one leg switch is a great exercise because it teaches you to try and keep one leg straight while the other is at your chest. You're basically going from a tuck to advanced tuck to one leg each time you are switching legs. This next move you want to bring yourself up into that advanced tuck position, but this time have one leg out and the other to your chest. You're going to lower down while keeping your hips high and engaging the core. You don't want to lower yourself by the foot, but with your hips. If you lower yourself down with your foot, you'll be bent, and that's not what you want. Push your hips up and slowly lower yourself. When you have the negative down, you can start lowering yourself down, just like in the negative. This time, lower yourself back up. This puts more pressure on your core and back for you to raise yourself down and back up. Going from advanced to full dragon flag is a great way to see how it feels being in that full position. The main progression for the dragon flag is negatives. Negatives are a great eccentric exercise to teach your body how much core and back you must have to get to that final stage. This is the same as the one leg, but instead you have two legs out. Lower yourself as slowly as you can until you can fully stop yourself at that dragon flag position. Now that you've gone through all the progressions, you have fully mastered the dragon flag. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more workout tips and tutorials.